What was once the domain of professionals is now accessible to everyone. DSLRs have never been more affordable, and the quality is better than ever. In 2022, we're expecting to see a few huge leaps in technology that will make these cameras even better and easier to use. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 was launched in 2018, and even today, it's a popular camera among newbie photographers. We love it so much we rate it as one of the best Nikon cameras, and one of the best cameras for beginners. That's because it features a handy guide shooting mode which acts as a tutorial and teaches the user how to use the camera via the LCD screen. The D3500 has a 24-megapixel sensor that's able to deliver super sharp images even with the 18 to 55mm kit lens, which is also pretty good. Although the rear screen is fixed, and it can only shoot up to full HD and not 4K, the fact it's easy to use, cheap, small, and light will make it appeal to a beginner. While it may not have all the features of a mirrorless camera, we can't help but think all the thrills and frills are sometimes a bit much if you're just starting, and at this price, nothing is quite as good. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. There are a few Canon cameras that are cheaper than the EOS Rebel SL3, known as the 250D in Europe, but they lack features and build quality. You don't have to pay that much extra to have features such as a vari-angle touchscreen, a 24.3-megapixel sensor with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology which makes the autofocus in live mode really fast, just like a mirrorless cameras, and guided screen options to help you learn. It's also capable of 4K video, so if you think you might want to have a go at filmmaking, this may be better for you than the Nikon D3500. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D. This is the best Canon camera for enthusiasts, and it arrived with groundbreaking specs that no other camera in this category can match and could leave a few professional photographers and videographers taking a look too. The EOS 90D packs in an amazing 32.5 million pixels, the highest yet for an APS-C camera, though don't expect to see any obvious and instant benefit in image quality. Instead, revel in this camera's 10 frames per second continuous shooting capability and its uncropped 4K video capture, a consumer-level Canon that, finally, doesn't reduce the angle of view for 4K video. The extra megapixels do dent the EOS 90D's high ISO/low light performance, but this camera has so many capabilities and so much potential, we think it's a dazzlingly good all-rounder for enthusiasts who want to try every facet of photography. What's more, with its flip-out screen and dual-pixel CMOS AF, it's just like using a mirrorless camera in live view mode. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.